بسم الله، الحمد لله، والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. الطلبة الأعزاء، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته، وأهلا ومرحبا بكم في هذا المحور الثالث لمادة Engineering Drawing 2 والذي بعنوان 3D Fasteners. The topics of this chapter. We will start by short introduction. Next part is about 3D terminology. Third part will be about 3D drawing and dimensioning. And finally, about 3D fasteners. First part, introduction. So many types of fastening. The first one is called permanent fastening. First example for permanent fastening is welding. اللحام. Next is called gluing, by using glue. Third one, by using rivet or riveting. Second type is called temporary fastening. First example is 3D fastener, something like bolts, studs, and screws. Here we have the stud. These are called stud, screws, and bolts. Second type is called non-threaded fasteners, keys, and pins. This is one example of keys. Some applications for thread. First, to hold parts together. Here we have so many parts. First part, second part, third part, part number 4. All are fastened by using threaded fasteners. By using bolts. Here, bolt number 1, bolt number 2, bolt number 3. Here, fastening or threaded fastening are used to move parts relative to others. Here we have 2 parts, for example. Part 1, we use this thread part to move that one, woodworking vise. And here for palm fruit pressing machine, also to move that part vertically